Good morning, Laura. Oh, wow. Someone needs to give those dogs a spanking. You may have noticed Laura's willpower meter went down by 6 percentage points. And throughout this video, I'll explain why Laura's willpower is going up or down. In this case, stress, negative effect, and subjective fatigue are what caused it to drop. Stress is a part of negative effect, but it's such a specific and common and powerful example of it that I decided to distinguish it. Now, as you watch through this, keep in mind that this isn't a one-to-one perfect representation of how willpower works. The main point is to communicate the concepts, such as this current one here where Laura is making a decision. She's picking out an outfit. We're showing here that this takes up 15% of her willpower, but in reality, we don't know that. The point is that it will take some of her willpower to make a decision, even one as simple as picking out an outfit for the day. Roy F. Baumeister of Florida State University had this to say, concluding a 2006 study on willpower depletion. We consistently found that effortful decision-making led to subsequent decrements in self-regulation. In other words, making decisions does deplete our willpower. This is something you'll see more about in the reward section of the course. Laura has restored some willpower with a social reward, which is a secondary or higher level reward. And pause. Now this is a significant decision for Laura. She is currently choosing the apple over the cookie. Why is this a big deal? Because she's resisting a direct primary reward, and that is the sugar from the cookie. Now you may be thinking, well, apples have sugar too, and that's true. But the sugar in an apple is different from the sugar in a cookie. And to understand that, you need to know a little bit about the glycemic index, an index that measures how quickly the body converts food into glucose. So for regular table sugar, or the type of sugar you'd find in a chocolate chip cookie, the body converts that sugar into glucose energy very quickly. And it sends a significant reward to the brain because, remember, the brain thrives on glucose. That's its primary energy source. A cookie has a glycemic index rating of about 64. The glycemic index is mostly based on a 100-point scale, though there are some foods that are listed as higher than 100. But still, 64 is a very high rating, relatively speaking. Now, when you compare that to an apple's glycemic index rating is only 38. This means the energy you get from eating an apple will be delivered slowly, but also over a longer period of time when compared to a cookie. And this is actually one of the ways an apple is healthier than a cookie, because it stabilizes your blood sugar. It's not that great to have your blood sugar spike suddenly and then drop, which is what a cookie tends to do.
I've got to get out of this neighborhood.
In many cases, stress is a choice. I think we tend to believe that our willpower strength is independent of events like receiving bills in the mail or getting annoyed with the neighbor's dog, but that's simply not the case. Anything that affects our emotions negatively is going to affect our willpower strength. Oh my goodness, look at her willpower go. Primary rewards like eating a cookie light up the brain's reward centers directly. But look what happens next. Her blood sugar plummets right back down. It's important to note that this doesn't invalidate the reward from the cookie, but it does drop her blood sugar back down, which decreases her energy.
Hey, where are you? I've been trying to get a hold of you all day. No, my car had a... No! We've been over this over and over and over again. Yes, I need to be able to... I don't know if I can count on you. I need to be able to... I mean, no, it was fine. I made it, but like...
Oh boy, here it is. It's the moment of truth. Laura has some free time. What is she going to do?